That is bad, man.
Yeah, that is fucking shit.
Dat is niet verhangen.
If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. Got the rap patrol on the Gap patrol. Foes that wanna make sure his casket's closed. Rap critics who say his money cash holes. He's from the hood, stupid. What type of facts are those? If you grew up in hoods and your zapper told you, be celebrating the minute you was having dough. So critics, kiss our whole ass. You don't like the lyrics, you can press fast forward. The radio, if we don't play their show, they don't play our hits, we don't give it. So all these bags trying to use our ass, so advertisers can give them more cash for ads. I don't know what you take us as, or understand the intelligence that Jay-Z has. From rags to riches, we ain't done. We got 99 problems that a bitch ain't one. It's 94 and my trunk is raw. In the rear view mirror is the month. Lord, I got two choices, y'all. Pull over the car or bounce on the double, put the pedal to the floor. And I ain't tryna see no how we chase the day. Plus I got a few dollars, I can fight the case. So I pull over to the side of the road. I heard, son, do you know what I'm stopping you for? Cause I'm young and I'm black and my hat's still low. Do I look like a mind reader, sir? I don't know.